Hello students, today we will learn how to create and fill a spreadsheet with data. What you have is a free Google account and a web browser, and that's it. It is a free and it works on any device, but you should have a free Google account to use your Google Sheets. There are some ways to create a new spreadsheet. It is a Google Drive. You just go to New. You're having the option here, Google Sheets. When you're going to click it, it will give you a blank Google Sheet. Here, when you're having new here and you click this arrow, we are having two options here. You want to do the blank spreadsheet or you want to go for a template. Let's have the click on a template. Then you are having so many templates here, like you want to have the 2017 calendar, annual budget, whatever you do. You're having lots of templates given by the Google. Look. So for instantly we have taken the blank Google Sheet. We have not selected any template. So let's see how to enter the data in the spreadsheet. You can see your A1 cell is selected. The sign of it is that it has the shaded border around it. Like if you select the D1, it will have the shaded blue color border around it. It is B1. Okay. Now let's start typing something and it will be entered in your Google Sheet. Now what is the way to save the data? When you press enter, then your data will be saved and this will be displayed on the above screen, like it is seen all changes saved in the drive. You're having then press enter, the data will be saved. Now when you press tab, then what will happen? Your cell will be moved to another cell, your cursor will be moved to another cell, and the data is saved in the drive. You can also shift from the down arrow, up arrow, left arrow, right arrow. The cursor can be shifted by this. If you want to move to some another cell, then you can just simply click on that cell and your cursor will be moved to that cell only. So it is the way how you enter the data in your spreadsheet. Our next task is how to copy paste a data. Like if you're having a data here and you want to paste in on another cell, you just click that cell and you just press Ctrl V. It will ask you whether you want to paste values only or you want to paste the format only. Let's take that you want to create the values only, then it will paste the values here. Look. So it is the way how you can copy paste in your spreadsheet. Another way to copy paste is if you're having any website and you want to paste your data into your Google Sheet, what you just do is you just select that values which you want to copy. Now go to your spreadsheet. You just select the cells, press Ctrl V, and you can see all your data that was selected is copied here. So you can also copy and paste from any website in the form of a table into your spreadsheet. There is another way to have data in your spreadsheet, and that way is you just go to File. In the File tab, you're having the option Import. When you're going to click Import, it will ask you to upload any file that will be in the form of CSV, XLS, or XLS6 or some other values. Then you just upload your file, or you can also drag a file here, and you just press select, and that file will be open to your Google Sheet. So they are the way how you can enter your data in the spreadsheet. That is, you can type. Secondly, you can copy paste. Third, you can copy paste from any website, that it can be an HTML table. The other is you can import your file. Other one is you can also click and drag your file. So these are the ways you create and you fill your spreadsheet with the data. Thank you.